Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your resolution and display size on your Windows 10 computer. If you are getting screen is not fitting in this space, if you having black screen on these edges, let's fix that guys. Go to start search menu and type settings, open it. Go to system, display sounds notification power. Want to go to display system over here. Want to click on display and scale and layout. Change the size of the text, apps and other items. Here you can change it. Display resolution, I'm having 1366 into 768. You can change it whatever you want here. You don't want it, revert to previous display settings in 8 seconds. You want to keep changes, you click on it or revert it. It will back to their original default. And doing this is so big guys. Revert this, you do it like this. What thing is you get best, keep it. And that's it guys for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video.